So you can't finish. Finish what you were saying.
Oh, I was saying that once as a food truck comes this direction and to deliver food to anyone, once they see the crowd, even if it's a different person, they stop there, which nothing is wrong with that. But the citizens aren't saying that, oh, we have received any from which and whichever time to go along the road and distribute to others who haven't getting any help. So they haven't reached here no time at all. Even if they do, they pass. They don't stop. So most likely it's the case where they probably finish or everyone has getting help down that side. Once I go towards the shelter and help everyone, once a different person comes along, they don't know that those person has received anything. So towards from that direction to here, we haven't received any food. No one hasn't stopped.
And that's really sad.
Thank you. Well, if the citizens would just say, oh, there are a few people along the road to get help, it wouldn't so bad.
Yes.
But they aren't saying anything. So you're the first person to actually stop here to check to see if everyone is okay. You're the first person to stop here from the storm started and ended. Yeah, you're the first person to check if anyone has received any food.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm glad I stopped. I was passing and I see that elder right there.
Across here Saturday.
Yes, I saw the elder, so I said let me back and see what's going on, because I know that a lot of the elder people aren't getting anything because they're not strong enough to walk, to go miles, to go wait. So all right, so let me see what I can find for you.
So can I ask, you are?
Me a Blossom. Me come from the neighborhood. Cuckoo and Dede brother, sister.
Oh.
Yes, and Dudley down there. Yes, Glenbrook. Yes, man. Lindy, me and Lindy go to school. Yes.